በእውነተኛው ዓለም ላይ እንግሊዝኛ ስትናገሩ ፍርሃት ይላችኋል? At hotel, in shop, or in a supermarket. Don't worry. In this video, you will learn real English conversations. Listen carefully, repeat after us. Speak with confidence. በሚቀጥሉት ጭውውቶች ላይ አብራችሁ እየደጋገማችሁ ምላሳችሁን አፍታቱ። Let's start with our first situation. Imagine you are traveling and checking into a hotel. ይሄ ጭውውት ሆቴል ለመያዝ ነው።
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Grand Hotel. How can I help you today?
I have a reservation. My name is John.
Let me check. Yes, I see your reservation. You have a single room for 2 nights.
Yes, that's correct.
May I see your ID or passport?
Here is my passport.
Thank you. I've completed your check-in. Here's your room key. Your room is on the 3rd floor. The elevator is to your right.
Thank you. Can you tell me what time breakfast is served?
Breakfast is from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the dining room. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's all for now. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Great job. Now let's move to our second situation. Imagine you are in clothing shop and you want to buy a shirt.
Hello. I'm looking for a shirt.
Hello. Sure, we have many shirts. What size do you need?
I'm looking for a medium size.
We have the style in medium. Do you like it?
It looks nice, but do you have any other colors?
Yes, we have blue, green, and white. Which color do you prefer?
I like the blue one. How much is it?
The blue shirt costs $25.
Okay, I'll take it.
Great. Would you like to pay with cash or card?
I'll pay with my card.
Perfect. Here is your receipt. Thank you for shopping with us.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Enjoy your new shirt.
Well done, you are doing great. Now let's practice English in a supermarket.
Hi, I need some groceries. Can you help me find the bread?
Sure. The bread is in aisle 4 on the left side.
Thank you. I also need some milk. Where can I find that?
The milk is in the fridge section right next to the bread.
Great. I found it. How much is it?
The milk is $2.50.
Okay, I'll also get some apples. How much are they?
The apples are $3 per pound.
I'll take 2 pounds, please.
That will be $6 for the apples.
Great. I think that's all for today. How much is everything in total?
Your total is $12.50.
I'll pay with card.
Thank you. Please swipe your card.
Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Enjoy your groceries.
Now let's review together. These conversations use simple and common English. You can use them in your daily life. Here are some important phrases you learned today. ለማጠቃለል ዛሬ የተማርናቸው ጠቃሚ ፍሬዞች How can I help you? ምን ልርዳህ፣ ምን ልስጥህ ወይም ምን ላግዝህ ማለት ከፈለግ፣ እኛ ደግሞ ምላሻችን ይሄንን ፈልጌ ነበር ለማለት I'm looking for፣ ዋጋው ስንት ነው ለማለት ደግሞ How much is it? በምን መንገድ እንደሚከፍሉ ለመናገር ደግሞ በሞባይል ባንኪንግ ይሁን በቴሌብር በካርድ በመሳሰሉት I'll pay with mobile banking, I'll pay with Telebr እያልን መጠቀም እንችላለን። Pause the video, repeat the sentences and practice aloud. The more you practice, the better English will become. Thank you for learning with me. See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.